Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage ad preference on your YouTube. So the first thing is open up your YouTube app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then tap on the gear icon at the top. Remember, we want to manage ad preference on YouTube. Next thing you're going to do is tap on your data in YouTube. Then you're going to scroll down until you see personalized ads. Tap on it. So the next thing you're going to do, want to manage ad preferences on YouTube. So the preferences is usually in the ad center in my activity. So you can tap here, my activity. Then you can see my ad center preferences. So here you can personalize it. They include the ads that you liked or block, as well as topic and brands that you've asked to see more or fewer ads about. So Google uses these preferences to show you more relevant ads on Google Search, Discover, and YouTube. You can delete some of the data or all of the data. And then some preferences may expire or are auto-deleted. Like blocked ads automatically expire after about 6 months. Detailed preference will not be shown in your ad center and will not be used to personalize your ad. It may take a few hours to complete. So as you can see, I have no activity. If you do, you will see the activities you have. Once you want to delete and edit some and change some of them, it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.